Very good evening, guys. I hope my voice is audible, right? Very good evening, guys. Is my voice audible? Yeah. So anybody can tell me that what was the last class topic we have been learned? So we have learned a lot of programs as well as something called as treasure hunt game, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in this session, what we are going to do is we are going to see something called as loops. So new topic. Okay. It's also called as iterative statements. Or loops. So definitely you guys would have heard this loops. So what are loops in layman terms? Suppose sometime what happens, you wanted to do repeatedly again and again. At that point of time, what you do, you create a loop. For example, time loop. Time loop means something is happening again and again repeatedly. It's called loops. Okay. So just an example. Suppose I wanted to print hello world. Hello world 100 times. So I can print in different way, but so don't think that if I was not having that option to multiply that with a number, I should be writing this 100 times. Means I have to just keep on copy pasting this for 100 lines. Yes, sir. So I hope you guys are able to understand this topic, right? This thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So that what we do, instead of keep on copy pasting the same code, that is duplicating the code, what we do, we'll be creating a loop. Within that loop, what we do, we'll be mentioning the statements which has to be repeated, means which has to be executed again and again. Okay, so when it comes to Python, no, so guys, please mute yourself. So when it comes to Python, no, we are having two different types of loops. Mainly, we are having two different types of loops. That is nothing but for loop and while loop. So when it comes to for loop, no, it is just nothing but it is used for iteration, iterative purpose. Okay. So when it comes to while loop, no, suppose sometimes what happen, no, sometimes you need to give some condition. Based upon the condition, you have to do something. Means it is condition based. Okay. So before getting inside this loops, no, so let me just write down one basic topic, that is range. Guys, what is range? What is range in Python? It's a data type, right? It is a data type. What kind of data type? Which generates some sequence of numbers. Okay, it is generating some sequence of numbers. Okay. So for example, if I'm giving range of 10, what I'll be getting? I'll be getting something like this. Okay. Something like 1, 2, 3 till 9. So I'll not be getting 10. I'll explain why as well. Okay. First, let me just try to give a practical example for this. So guys, is my screen visible for you?
Yes, sir.
This screen, that is my pie chart. So here, what is happening? No, I'm just trying to give range of 10. If I'm trying to print it, no, what I'll be getting? Okay, what I'll do, I'll just try to give data is equals to range of 10. If I'm trying to print data, if I'm trying to print type of data, what I'll be getting, I'll just execute and show you. Oh, sorry. So don't you think that I'm getting something like a range? So am I getting 0 to 9 or something like something different? So don't think that I'm not getting like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting something like range of 0, comma 10. Means it is indicating that starting from 0, but stopping till 10. Okay. So if I want to see the numbers which has been generated by this range, what I can do, I can just convert this into a list. Now I'll execute. So I hope you can see I'm getting 0 to 9, but not 10. Why? Because this range, by default, this range is having some syntax. So that is nothing but start, stop, and step. Okay. By default, what is the start? Start 0. What is the stop? The number you're giving. Here, in this case, 10. And step by default 1. So that is the reason I'll be getting something like this. Okay. I'll be getting 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. I'll not be getting 10. Why? Because this 10 is exclusive. Exclusive. And by default, step is 1. Okay. I hope you can see step is 1. And by default, start is 0. Fine. Exclusive means it is not considered. Okay. Excuse me. So now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and take these things. Take few examples. I'm trying to print range of 10, sorry. List of 10, I'll be getting what? I'll be getting 0 to 9 in form of list. Similarly, if I'm trying to print, if I'm trying to print 0, 10, I'll be getting same thing. If I'm giving something like this, what is the default step? 0. Stop is 10. Step is 1. So don't you think that I'm getting a same output for all the lines? Same output for all the lines. Yes or no? Do you agree now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here we can just manipulate so many things here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll be starting from 0, stopping till 10. If I'm giving step is 2, what I'll be getting? So don't think that I'll be getting
0 to 4.
0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If suppose if I'm starting from 1, what I'll be getting? 1,
1, 3, 5,
5,
7, 9.
9. Sorry about to understand, no? So I'll try to execute these things. So this is not required because I already got the output. So am I getting 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? Step is 2. What is happening? So initially, by default, step is 1. What I am trying to do, I'm trying to give step is equal to. So where I'm starting from 0. If I'm starting from 1, what happens? I'll be getting, as I told, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Fine. I hope you're getting these things. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll try to give something like this. Okay. That is, so what I want is, I don't want to print a number in the ascending order. I want to print a number in the descending order. That is 10, 9, 8, 6, something like that. How can I print? Start from 10, stop till 0. Yes or no? And again, so what is the step? Step should be -1. I'm able to print 10, 9, 8, 7. Means -1 means in negative direction. +1 means positive direction. Okay. Suppose if I want to print -1, -2, -3, excuse me. So if you want to print -1, -2, -3, how can I print? So where should I start? From -1. So where should I stop? Till -10.
-10.
So what is the step? Step is, sorry. Think guys, think. +1 or -1?
+1.
+1. Okay. Yeah, what I'm getting? So don't think that I'm getting empty list if I'm giving this. So don't think that I'm getting like -1, -2, -3, -4. -1 means what is the step? So don't think that if you want to print -1, -2. So that is minus. I'm going in forward direction or backward direction? Backward, right?
Yes.
So I have to give negative -1. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose I wanted to print minus, -10, -9, something like that. How can I print? Means this same sequence in opposite order, different order. That
Then
is,
step is equal to 1.
step is equal to 1. If I'm giving step is equal to 1, what is happening? I'll be getting empty list, right?
If you want to print it in a descending order, you should do that, sir.
Telling that minus, sorry, I have to give
-10, -1,
-10, comma, -1,
-1, and 1.
1. Okay. So, -1, step is 1. Okay. Yes or no? So why I'm not getting -1? So don't think that it is exclusive. If you want to print -1, I have to give 0. So I hope you're able to understand this, right? Range is nothing but it is generating a sequence of number, that's all. And it's very, very, very important thing. So should be able to understand this range completely. It will be very helpful. It is used most often. Okay. So fine, guys. So now what I'll do, I hope I finished all the possible scenarios. So now what I'll do, I'll just try to print some, take some programs and give it as assignment. So take it as assignment. So write a program to display only odd numbers from 0 to 20, even numbers from 0 to 20. So write a program display from 10 to 1 in descending order using range. So I hope I have done all these things. You people have to figure it out. So what is the logic you have to write in order to solve all these 3 questions? So all these 3 questions have been solved right now itself. So can I just find out what is the proper order? So for this range, what I should pass, you have to figure it out. If you want to print odd numbers, even numbers, and this third question. Okay. So take it as assignment. Right. So now let us just start this loops. Okay. So as I told, no, when it comes to Python, we are having 2 loops. One is for loop. One more thing is while loop. And loops are very, very important thing. So just keep your complete concentration here. Okay. So observe carefully. If I wanted to initialize a loop, that is for loop in Python, no, I have to write this thing. First, for I is just a variable, I in range colon and print. Print I. Guys, observe carefully and write it. Okay. So now, so what will be the output if I'm trying to execute this? So what is range is generating? Range is generating sorry. Yeah.
0 to 9.
So 0 to 9, right? And so what is happening here is every time the value of I is pointing towards this. First, initially the value of I is pointing towards this. So if I'm trying to print I, what I'll be getting?
0.
0. Fine. Next time, what is loops? Actually, what is a loop? So don't you think that I'm doing repeatedly again and again? Repetitive thing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here what is happening? Since I'm having a numbers, sequence of numbers, which has been generated by range, no, that is 0 to 9. Next time what happens? Again, the value of I is pointing towards
1.
this next time. Means what will be getting next time? 1.
1.
Okay, then next
2.
2. Again next 3, 4, 5 till
Till 9.
9. Fine. So if I'm writing the logic, no, if I'm trying to execute it, you should be able to understand. Okay. Very simple for loops. Okay. For I, just a minute.
I in range of 10.
Okay. Yeah. Remove this one. Okay, fine. For I in
Range
range
of
of
10.
10,
Print
colon,
I.
trying to print I, what happens? I'll just show you. So don't you think that I'm getting from 0 to 9?
Yes, sir.
So are you able to understand this one? Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
So anybody is having any confusion? I
No,
hope
sir.
no, right? Okay. So this time what I will do? So we know that for I in range of 10, I'll be getting this. Okay. Means there's nothing but just a basic example in order to make you guys understand. So next what I will do? I'll try to write. So write a program to print. So write a Python program to print odd numbers. Display only odd numbers using for loop. Okay, how can I print? For I in range of 10. So guys, you people tell me how to find an odd number.
If
A number
I percentage modulus
to
2 is not equal to 0,
not equal to 0, then what I can do? I can just try to
odd,
print.
print odd.
Print not odd. I want to print the numbers, no?
Print I.
Print I.
Print I.
Excuse me. So am I able to print odd numbers here? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose if you want to print even numbers, how can I print?
Equals to 0.
Is equal to 0.
So very, very important thing, guys. Definitely be getting the technical room for a freshers. Yes or no? I'm able to
Yes,
print
sir.
this thing. So what is happening? So I hope you're able to understand this logic, right? So every time what is happening, the value of A is changing, no? And that number is,
Yes, sir.
I'm checking that whether that number is divisible by 2. If it is true, what happens? I'll print it, or else I'll just skip it. Okay. Fine. So next what I'll do. So write a program to print sum of given numbers within a list using for loop. You know what is sum, right? Summation, you know, right? Suppose I'm having a list, okay? I'm having a list that is a list is equals to some random numbers. So what I want is, I wanted to print, I want to add all these numbers. Summation is addition of all the numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 87 plus 6 plus 21 plus 5, something like that. So now I'll try to do one more thing, okay? So if I want to print all the elements present in this given list, that is LST. How can I do? How can I print all the elements? By using for loop. Okay, for I in LST. I'm trying to print I. See, this I is nothing but just a variable, okay? I'll just try to use something else for number in LST. Okay, print number. If I'm trying to print what I'll be getting all the elements present in the given list. Yes or no? I'm able to fetch 1, 3, 6, 87, 6, 21, 5. So are you able to understand this, right? This makes sense. For number in numbers. Print num. Okay. So this time what I will do, I'll write initialize a variable called as result. Result is equals to 0. Sorry. 0. Just a minute. 0. Something happened. Okay. Yeah. So now what I'll do, I'll not print the number. Instead of that, what I'll do, I'll try to add the number. Result is equals to result plus number. Yes or no? I'm able to add all the numbers and print the result. Excuse me. So don't think that I'll be getting 129. So are you able to understand this, no? So how can I write this? Result is equal to result plus num. Can I just write something like this? Plus equals to num. Yes or no? So are you able to understand this, right? So what is happening? So what is happening here? Initially, what is there in result? 0. Okay. I'll go back again. I'll just try to. Okay. I hope this explains much better. Okay. So what is the result? 0. Yes or no?
Yes,
Guys?
sir.
Okay. What is the number? What is the number initially?
136.
No. Only one element at a time, right? Initially.
1.
What is 0 plus 1?
1.
1.
So what I'm trying to do here?
Result equal to
Result is
1.
no.
So don't think it is changing to 1.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Again, what is the result next?
1 plus
3, 4. 4.
Yeah. What is the result? 1. 1 plus, what is the number? 3.
3.
What is 1 plus 3?
4.
4. So what is the result now?
4.
4. What is the number here now?
6.
6. 6 plus 4? 10. So are you able to understand? No? It is adding plus. And every time it is storing, adding and storing a result. So then finally we'll be getting 129. So are you able to understand this, right? I hope I explained in much better way. So anybody is having any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. So now what I do and try to, and again guys, see this indentation is very, very much important, okay? When it comes to follow up indentation, you have to maintain. So you know what is indentation? So I'll not repeat once again. So this is nothing but indentation. You have to give indentation or else you'll be getting error. So shall I proceed further?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So this question also is asked okay, frequently. So guys, so what are all questions I'm taking now? All these questions are most asked interview questions for a freshers in a technical round for a fresher. Okay. So you have to practice these things. If any doubts, you can ask me itself. So suppose I want to print Python or hello world 3 times. They might be giving hello world sometimes. Very means most of the time they'll be giving hello world. Okay, or else they'll be giving print your name 3 times, something like that. Okay, so I want to print hello world 3 times. How can I print? That using for loop. Observe carefully. For I in range of 3.
3.
4. Are you sure? Print what?
Hello, world.
Hello, Pi. Hello, world.
Hello world. Okay. If I'm executing this, how many times I'm getting? 3 times.
3 times.
So why not 4 times?
From index 0.
Yeah. So don't think that I'll be getting 0, 1, 2, 3 or 0, 1, 2.
0, 1 to 7.
0, 1, 2.
Means this loop is running for 3 times. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So just a minute, I'm getting cough, okay? I'll have some water. Okay. So let me just take, yeah. So write a Python program to print this thing. Okay, let us first try to do using for loop. For loop. So next I'll be teaching you while loop. Then you can just do in both the loops simultaneously. So write a Python program to print numbers 1 to 20, which are divisible by 3 and 5 using for loop. So usually they'll be giving just one number. I'm taking 2 numbers for your reference. For I in range of, for I in range of. So what is the range, guys, here?
Range of 20.
20. So don't you think that I should not give a 0 here? Then I have to start from 1 to 20 or 21. Okay, I'll try to change it just to, only for your reference what I'll do. Change it to 2. If I'm giving 20, what happens? I'll show you. Okay. If I mod 2 is equal to 0,
0.
print I.
Print I.
Okay, so what is the last number which is divisible by 2 from 1 to 20? So what is the last number?
18, sir, 18.
No. So here I should be getting 20 also, right?
20.
Then how can I
20.
include 20?
We should give 21.
21.
Very good. Am I getting 20? Yes. So if I'm changing this program to 3, what I can do?
3.
I mod 3.
No. 3.
Okay. So if I'm trying to print this, I'll be getting different output. So if you want to do 3 and 5, how can I do? Can I just use something called as and, excuse me,
And
and
Right first, I modulus 5.
I mod 5 is equals to 0.
0.
Yeah, I'll be getting only one number. So don't think that here there is only one number which is divisible by 3 and 5, that is 15, in range of 1 to 20.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll just comment this. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll just try to take few problems when it comes to for loop only. Let us solve first. So I'm having a program. So write a program to print, check if a number is prime or not. So you know what is a prime number?
Yes, sir.
So what is a prime number? Any idea?
Which is divisible by itself and a number 1.
Okay, means a number which is divisible by itself and 1.
Number.
Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right. Okay. So if I wanted to print a prime number, how can I print? How can I just print? Means in normally. So we'll be calculating if a number is divisible by itself and something like this. Okay, excuse me. Now, if a number is divisible by 1 and itself, so first what I will do, I'll be writing something good as for loop. So person thing. Murali, please mute yourself. Guys, if in case if you're not speaking, no, so please mute yourself because there might be some disturbance in background. Okay. So for I in range of, for example, number, okay, number is equals to 3. So what about 3? 3 is a prime number or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll be starting from 1 and stopping till my number. Okay. If I'm just checking if number mod I is equals to 0. Print what? Not prime number. Why I'm printing this thing? Any idea? Sorry, I should be starting from 2. Yeah. So why I'm printing this? Any idea? So I'll just print else print prime number. I'll just show you step by step. Okay. So don't think that if I'm starting by number 1, so every number is divisible by 1, I'll be getting it's a prime number only. Yes or no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So that what I can do, I can just start from 2, so that if a number is divisible by 2, means 2 is a prime number or not?
Yes, sir.
2 is a prime number, but after 2, whatever numbers which is divisible, no, it should be not divisible by 1. So that is the reason I'm just starting from 2. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So if I'm trying to print now, just observe carefully and tell me. So what I'm getting? It's a prime number, no? Yes or no? It's a prime number. 3 is a prime number or not? Yes, it's a prime number.
Yes,
If I'm
sir.
taking, so 7, what about 7?
Prime number.
It's a prime number.
But what I'm getting here? So don't think that I'm getting multiple times.
Yes, sir.
We are looping it.
I'm looping it. So in that case, what I can do, simply I can just take this else statement and place it outside. It become for else loop. Okay. So this time what happens? Just observe carefully. So what I'm getting only one time.
Yes, sir.
So but if I'm trying to print something like 5, not 5, 10, okay, 10 is not a prime number. It looks good. But don't think that I'm getting again here, not a prime number, means for different number, my program is behaving differently, giving output differently, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So how can I just write a proper logic? In that case, what I can do, so it's too early, I know that, but as of now, what I'll do, I'll try to use something called as break. So break is nothing but it is statement which breaks the loop, means
Yes, sir.
which stops the execution. Means if a number is not a prime number, I should not proceed further. Simple. Okay. So now I'll just try to execute. So what I'm getting?
Not a prime
So
number.
not a prime number. If I'm executing 3, prime number. If I'm executing 7, prime number. So don't you think that for all the numbers, it's working properly now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So if you're also getting the same question in the interview, so write a program to check if a given number is prime or not. You have to write this logic. So trust me, guys, these questions are a favorite question of the interviewer. Definitely will be getting this kind of questions. So if in case if you attended in your college placement and all, you'll come to know. Yes or no?
Yes.
So I hope now you got how to calculate if a given number is prime or not using Python. Did you get the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
So-
fine. So only few people are answering. So what about remaining people? I see only one person is answering on regularly. So what about others? Are you guys able to understand the topic?
Understood. Sir.
Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll try to start while loop. Okay. See what I told this while loop, no? While loop is purely based on conditional based.
Condition.
Okay. Suppose, just imagine that you wanted to run a loop, initialize a loop based upon some condition. So when it comes to for loop, I'm having any condition? No, right? I'm not having any condition. But suppose if I'm having any condition, based upon some condition, I wanted to initialize a loop. So in that case, what I can do, I can use while loop. While true, while some condition. Okay. So what I will do, I'll be taking number. Suppose imagine that I want to print 10, 1 to 10. Okay. So in that case, what I can do, I can just try to create a variable called as num initialize equals to 0. So what I'll do, while number is lesser than 10, lesser than or equal to
Yes.
10, colon, print that number.
Number.
So what I'll do, I'll just try to, if I'm trying to print this, so what will happen? Any idea? I'll be getting 0 n number of times, yes or no? So what is happening? What is here? What is the value of num here?
0.
0.
0, no? So don't you think I'm trying to print this 0 multiple times? Initially be
Yes,
getting
sir.
number equals 0, 0,
Yes.
0, 0, 0, 0. So what I have to do? What is the next thing I have to do? Implement. So don't you think that it is like an infinite loop?
Yes, sir.
So it's never ending. So in that case, what I can do? So don't you think that I have to increment the value of num by 1 every time?
Yeah.
So what is happening? Every time the value of number is increasing by
0, 1,
1, 2,
5 till when? Okay, one more thing. So
till 9.
fine. So this time I'll just try to execute from the scratch. Okay. Fine. So now I'll just try to explain step by step. Okay. So number is equal to 0. Fine. So so what I told when it comes to while loop, it's purely completely conditional based approach. Okay. So here, don't you think that it's a condition? Yes, right?
yes, sir.
So here, so what is the value of number here? Initially 0.
0.
So 0 is lesser than or equal to 10. True or false?
True.
True.
True, sir.
Very, very important thing. Unless this condition is true, then only this loop is executing. Understand this. Unless this condition is true, then
Yes,
only
sir.
this loop executes. Okay. Now, what is happening? It is entering inside this loop, and what is happening to num here? Don't you think that it is incrementing by 1 plus 1? Again, what is the value of num here?
1.
1. And again, so what about this condition? True or
True.
false? True. So what about 2? True.
True.
What about 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10?
True.
True. So what about next time what is happening? The value of num is
False.
becoming
Fail.
11. Okay.
False.
False.
False. If it's becoming false, what happens? This loop
Terminate.
breaks.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys understood how the while loop works. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll try to type the same program. So what I have to give? I should be giving greater than or lesser than? Lesser than or equal to?
Lesser than
Or equal
Are
to 0.
equals to
If I'm trying to
10.
print num,
10, sir.
oh, sorry. Yeah. If I'm trying to print num, what will be getting?
0.
0. How many times?
Infinity times.
Infinite times you can see. Just stop it here. Okay. So in that case, what I can do, I can just try to print number
Num plus
is equals
1.
to number plus 1, or I can just write in this way as well. Plus equals to
plus equals to
1. So these things you should be able to understand. So now
1.
what I do, I'll execute this. So am I getting 0 till 10?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you guys understood completely about while loop. So what is happening behind? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So what
Yes,
is the
sir.
difference between what is the difference between for loop as well as while loop?
Conditional.
While loop is nothing but
Conditional based
Conditional
while
statement.
loop.
yes. So what about for loop?
There is no condition.
There is no condition, right? Bad.
Iteration.
It is nothing but iteration, traversing from
Iteration.
one element to another element. Means iterating, something like that. Okay. So I can just tell in a single sentence, for loop is nothing but it is fetching a number or element from a given sequence. Okay. Fine. So let us try to take one more example in order to understand while loop. Okay. So this time what I will do, same program. Okay, same program. Yeah, same program. So you should be able to understand in both the ways. So suppose they're asking you in the interview, so write a Python program to display even numbers using while loop. How will you do? So I'll not write from scratch again. So this time you know that. So what is num is printing? So what is the number printing? So what is the number every time? Guys, so what is the number? 0, 1,
Number is
2, 3.
0, 1, 2, 3.
So if I want to print even numbers, how can I print?
I
Think about
Using
it.
divisible divisible.
more or less.
Yeah, if condition, no condition.
If I more and
Okay. Should I give I or n? Num.
num
Okay, num.
Modulus.
modulus 2 is equals to 0. Print num.
Very good, guys. So am I getting 2, 4, 6, 8, 10?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now in a position that if someone is asking you to print even numbers using for loop as well as while loop, so are you able to write a program?
Yes, sir.
So
So let me just try to do a few more things. Yeah, so this is also very important thing. So they'll ask you to print some given sentence or given word some number of times using while loop. You should be able to do it. Yeah, you people have to tell me how to print. So can I just take the same thing? Don't you think that the code is same? I'm copy pasting it, but this time what I'll do. So since I want 3 times, I'll just write 3. Okay, so I want to initialize 1, but simply I'll just print what?
num.
No, hello world, right?
Hello world.
So I'm able to get hello world 3 times. So the logic is same, no? So don't
Yes,
think
sir.
that I'm just copy pasting. Copy pasting in the sense like I'm writing the same logic again and again in order to achieve the different outputs. Trust me, guys, while loop is not so much complicated. Okay, so don't think that few people, your friends, might telling that while loop is very difficult in order to understand. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what about now? So I hope you're getting some confidence, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
So now let us try to solve one very important interview question. Have you heard this Fibonacci series?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are Fibonacci series?
Generates sum of two numbers
Fibonacci. Yeah. Sum of two numbers in the sense.
as a next number.
Yeah. Sum of previous number and next number. Means sum of previous number and next number. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. So trust me, you'll be getting in case if you have attended any interview, no, we'll be asked this question, Fibonacci series. I don't know what spelling is correct or not.
FIBO, sir.
Fibonacci, okay. Yeah, correct now. Fibonacci series. So example, what I do, 1, 1, 2, sorry, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, I think, and so on. Yes or no? These are sequence, right? Fibonacci numbers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll try to explain for people who don't know this.
Sir.
So what is Fibonacci series? Suppose you're having initially you initialize a number by 0 or 1, anything is fine. So now, so what is the next number? Okay, I'm initializing a number starting from 0. What is the next number? 0 plus 1. What is the next number? 1. What is 0 plus 1?
1.
So what is the next number? 1
Two.
plus
1,
1.
1 plus 2.
1 plus 1.
1 plus 1, 2. So what is the next number?
4.
1 plus 2, 3.
No. Next number, this thing.
1 plus 1 plus
1
2.
Plus 2, 3, sir.
4.
No, guys, you got
1 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 3.
so you're misunderstanding the thing. Okay, it is not like 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. No, fine. So you can tell that in that way as well, but so try to understand in this way. Okay, it will be more easy for you. Fine. So what we are trying to do is we know how to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes or no? So by understanding that, what we can do, see, first what we do, we just add these two numbers. Then addition of these two numbers will be this thing, 2. And again, so what is the next number? So addition of these two numbers is next number.
1 plus 2.
And again, what is the how will be
1
getting
plus
next
2,
number?
3.
1 plus 2. No. 1 plus 2, no? 3. So what is the next number?
2 plus 3, 5.
2 plus 3, 5. So what is the next number?
5 plus
5 plus
3
3,
plus 5, 8.
8. So what is the next number? These two numbers. Means
5 plus
sum
8,
of,
13.
sorry, able to understand, no?
Previous two numbers.
Previous two numbers means so sum of previous and next number.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So don't get confused. That is what I told. Okay. So the logic you understood, no? Any confusion for anyone?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay. So how can I do this thing? First, what I do, first number. First number is equals to 1. Okay, first I'll just take short variable names, first and second is equals to 1. So what is the next? First plus second. Yes or no? So now what I'll do, I'll just try to execute this. For I in range of 5. Assume that I'm running 5 times. So here what I'll do, first, comma, swapping variables, no? Remember swapping variables?
Yes, sir. A comma B equal to B comma A.
Yeah. So now what I'll do, first comma second is equal to second comma first. But this time what I'll do, I'll not do in this, sorry. This time what I will do, I'll not just try to swap it. Whilst meanwhile what I'll do, I'll try to add first comma second. Try to print what I can, excuse me. I can just try to print first. If I'm trying to print first, what happens? I'll just show you. Very, very simple logic only. Yeah, what I'm getting this. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. I'm getting from here, no? 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. So if you want to print 1, what I can do? I have to initialize a number, starting number is 0. Yes or no? So am I getting 1, 1, 2, 3, 5? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. If you want to print, I'll just run for 10 times. 10 numbers. So am I getting something like this? Okay, what I'll do? So yes or no? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21 till here. Guys, are you able to understand this Fibonacci series?
Yes, sir.
Very, very important. Definitely they'll ask in the interview. So if you're able to by heart this and just type it also, that's more than sufficient. I'm not reading by heart. Okay, I'm telling to learn the syntax. I'll try to explain the thing. Okay, fine. So what is there in first?
0.
0. What is there in 1? Sorry, second? 1.
1.
So what is there in second? 1. What is there in
1.
first? What happens
0.
here? 0 plus
0.
1.
1. What is the result?
1.
So what is coming to the first?
First 1.
1. So then what is coming to the second?
1.
1.
1. Okay. So next what is there in second?
1, sir.
1 itself. So what is there in first?
1.
1. What is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1, 2.
2.
2.
Again the
So
first
then-
way time 2.
2. So what I'm trying to print? 1 means first number. I'll be getting 1 this thing. Okay. So now next thing. So yeah. So next step. So what is there in second?
2.
2. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to change it to first. This is becoming 2. Then again.
2.
So what is there in second?
2.
Okay.
2.
So initially what was there in first? Initially
1.
1. What is 1 plus 2?
3.
3.
3 is again.
It is coming here. Okay. It is coming and sitting here.
Yes,
Fine.
sir.
And again, what is there in first now?
2.
2. Sorry. First 2. Again, what is there in second?
3. 5.
3. 5. Again, what is there in first here? Okay. 2.
2.
This there
5.
itself. Okay. Means what is happening? It is incrementing. Something like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay. So I hope you're able to understand this logic right now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So fine, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So are you able to understand it in simplest way, or is it difficult for you people to understand? So trust me, guys,
Simple.
definitely will be getting this kind of questions in the interview. So what you can do now, not to verify, go and search in the Google. So most frequently asked interview questions in Python, you'll be getting same questions only. So in that case, what you will do now, if you're getting an interview, at that point of time, what you'll do, you'll go to website, any website, and type this most frequently asked technical round interview questions for Python. So what you'll do, if you're not able to understand, what you'll do, you'll go on Google and YouTube. Yes or no? YouTube the answer. Same thing will be getting there also. Fine. So that is the reason what I'm planning is, I'm planning meanwhile while learning, you can just try to learn the interview questions, means you can just try to prepare for the interview as well. That is what my intention, that's all. Okay, fine guys. So how was the session? So I hope everyone understood everything. Yes, sir?
No.
Yes, sir. Good,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine, nice. So next what I'll do, I'll just stop it here only. I'll not proceed further. So in the next session, we are going to learn again loops only, but we are going to implement a lot of interesting things. So by understanding loops, we are going to do some enhancement in the code, that is pressure and game, and so many things we can do. Okay. So see you on Monday, guys. Same timings. Thank you. Happy weekend.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
So enjoy your weekend. See you on Monday, same timings, guys. Thank you.